If you're searching for a robot vacuum and mop that genuinely delivers a hands-free cleaning experience, the Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro AV2800ZE deserves your attention. This unit goes beyond surface vacuuming. It empties its own bin, refills its own mop tank, and even washes and dries its mopping pads. It's one of the few home cleaning devices that actually makes the claim hands-free for up to 60 days a reality. Right out of the box, the first impression is that Shark focused on functionality and simplicity. The vacuum features a sleek white finish and sits neatly in its sturdy NeverTouch Pro base, which handles self-emptying up to 60 days of debris, self-refilling mop tank, up to 30 days of water and solution, self-cleaning and drying pad system. The base dimensions are 18.8-inch L by 14.33 W by 17.56 H, so it doesn't feel oversized or bulky. Even with all its automation features, the unit maintains a compact footprint. At 25 pounds, the robot is substantial enough to feel premium without being hard to move if needed. The standout feature of this robot is the NeverTouch Pro system. Unlike typical robot vacuums that require frequent dustbin emptying or mop pad removal, this model automatically empties its dustbin into the larger 60-day docking bin, automatically refills its mopping tank, washes and dries the mop pad after every clean. This means no dirty pads to touch, no frequent refilling, no bending down a true set and forget cleaning experience. One user shares, "The fact that I don't have to touch her at all makes things extremely easy. She tells you when she's done and what she's doing." This hands-free convenience makes it perfect for pet owners, busy households, or anyone who wants tech that saves time rather than adds chores. Powered by Shark's new PowerDetect system, this robot is equipped to handle real-life messes rather than just light surface dust. These technologies include Dirt Detect, finds heavily soiled areas and boosts vacuum suction. Stain Detect, identifies stuck-on stains and increases mopping intensity with multiple passes. Edge Detect, blasts air to pull debris from corners and along baseboards. Never Stuck, lifts itself over thresholds and obstacles, up to 2x better coverage versus Shark Ion. Floor Optimization, automatically adjusts suction and mop behavior based on floor type. This means the vacuum isn't simply roaming. It thinks through each cleaning decision. Thanks to the dirt detection sensors and adaptive suction control, the robot excels at pulling debris from carpets and hard floors. Edge Detect deserves extra praise. Many robot vacuums leave crumbs or dust in corners, but this model forces debris into the suction path with targeted airflow. One owner with a long-haired dog reported, "It's very helpful, not too much maintenance, and especially no bag to buy." The bagless base is a huge deal, no recurring bag costs like competitors such as iRobot Roomba or Narwhal. Mopping is where Shark shows its innovation. When the robot transitions over carpet, it lifts the mop pad above the floor, preventing damp carpet mishaps. The base washes and dries the pad after every use, preventing mold or bad odor buildup, a flaw in other brands that require manual pad maintenance. Stain Detect takes multiple mop passes on sticky spots, which is impressive and makes it feel almost like a human mopping. Shark integrates 360 degrees LiDAR and advanced 3D sensors to navigate your home efficiently. The mapping accuracy is excellent. The robot quickly learns room layout and cleans in neat patterns instead of random zigzags. You also get no-go zones, room-specific cleaning, spot cleaning mode. The obstacle avoidance is truly effective. It slows down sensitively around furniture legs and avoids small objects impressively. The Shark Clean app offers total customization. Create detailed home maps. Schedule daily or weekly cleaning. Send a vacuum to clean only one room. Adjust vacuum suction plus mop power. A user mentions initial difficulty syncing through their modem, but succeeds after rebooting. I had a bit of trouble synchronizing it with the modem, but after 2 reboots it did. Once connected, the app makes everything effortless. You can also connect it to Alexa or Google Assistant. On a full charge, the AV2800ZE can clean large areas. Owners with one-bedroom apartments and larger homes confirm that the battery lasts long enough to complete the entire job before returning to the dock. Included in the package: PowerDetect Robot, NeverTouch Pro Base, 2. Odor Neutralizer Cartridges, 3. Reusable mop pads, 2. Side brushes, 1. Bottle of Shark Multi-Surface Cleaner. Everything you need to get started immediately. True Hands Free Cleaning, self-empties, self-refills, self-cleans pads. 60-day dustbin capacity plus 30-day water refill capacity. Smart mapping with precision LiDAR plus 3D sensors. Great for carpets, hard floors, and homes with pets. No replacement bags needed. Saves money over time. Initial Wi-Fi setup may require patience. Premium price point, but justified for the automation level. The Shark AV2800ZE NeverTouch Pro is one of the most advanced robot vacuum/mop combos available. It delivers a truly hands-free experience, no dustbin emptying, no pad touching, no manual refilling. From pet hair to sticky kitchen spills, it cleans intelligently and efficiently. If you want automated floor care with minimal maintenance, this Shark model is easily one of the best robot vacuum/mop combos of 2025.